Curried Chickpea Beetroot Stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beetroot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the curried chickpea recipes. Today we are going to make curried chickpea beetroot stew. The ingredients are around 100 grams of chickpeas soaked in water for 2 to 3 hours, 1 green chili, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 10 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces. And 100 grams of beetroot cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. And put in the onion pieces. Let them get heated in the oil. Soft caramel. Keep on sauteing till the onions lose their pinkish color. Put in the ginger, salt, heavily. Thoroughly salt and mix. Keep on salting. Now put in the tomato paste. Salt the tomato paste. Thoroughly salt and mix. Now put in the beetroot piece. Mix in the beetroot pieces with the rest of the mixture. Now put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Thoroughly mix in the salt. For around 1 minute and let the mixture cool down after taking off the flame. Now put in the sorted mixture into the grinder. Close and grind well with 5 or 10 ml of water. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Let the oil get heated. Put in the ground beetroot mixture into the pan. And let it boil. Serve thoroughly. Put in the chickpea into this mixture. into the mixture. Pour in 200 ml of water, mix, and let this mixture cook for 20 to 25 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the curried chickpea beetroot stew or curried chickpea and beetroot is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final curried chickpea in beetroot or curried chickpea beetroot stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes and one of the most different of the beetroot recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.